What's up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbq. Hope you're having a great day. We've got the egg coming up to about 250. We're gonna try something really different today. So, you know that I love steak, right? I love beef, big fan, as well as just about every other meat, but big fan, love picanha. But I'm gonna try and cook a picanha like a brisket. Let's see if we can do it. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? All right, so we have our picanha here. We just tossed a little bit of mayo on it, as you can see here, as a binder. It's gonna add, obviously cooking this low and slow. It's got that real nice fat cap on the bottom, but the mayo adds, it's a binder, adds a little fat to it as well, and oils. We're gonna cook it fat side down, just to protect the meat. But then when we wrap it, we're gonna cook it fat side up and have that fat kind of render back into the meat. So again, just tossed a little bit of mayo, a little bit of mustard on there, and then just some salt, pepper, garlic that we have. Boop, boop, boop. Beautiful. And we're just gonna let this sit, come up to room temperature a bit. Once the temperature is up to where we want at 250 on the egg, we're gonna throw it on. All right, we got... $250, let's go. All right, so we just hit 165 internal. Looking pretty good. I wish the bark was a little darker. I could keep it on a little longer, but I think I'm gonna wrap it and just kind of run with it. All right, now we are going to wrap it. And we're gonna put it back on the grill, fat side up. All right, we wrapped it up, tossing it back on until it gets up to 203, 205-ish. Let's do this. All right, it's been resting for about 5 hours now. Look at that. And look at the paper. All that awesomeness has just been reintroduced, and it is, oh man, it's soaked. Ooh. You know what? Let's open it in here so we can catch all the extra juice. Wow. Huh. Never made anything quite like that before. That is super, super juicy. Oh my gosh. And it's, look at that. Look at, all right, let's cut it. Let's see. Okay, ready? Oh yeah, look at that. Super juicy, super moist. Oh man, it just falls apart. It's like, huh. Wow, that is insanely good. Picanha brisket, love it.